afternoon. I am Madhunavan, working as a professor in the VV College of Engineering, Tirunelveli. So I have finished 23 courses in NPTEL and I achieved 7 stars.
Hi, I'm Shreya SR. I am a student of biotechnology from Anna University, Trichy.
I'm Shiva Reddy, Assistant Professor, Ravindra College of Engineering, Forman.
I'm Saujanya, Assistant Professor of Shreyas Institute of Engineering and Technology from Hyderabad.
I'm Dr. D. Karnagaran from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sri Manakalunar Engineering College, Puducherry.
I am Dr. Anjana Devi, currently working with Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology. I am associated with the NPTEL from 2019. I have completed 21 NPTEL courses.
My name is Dr. Avvaru Subramaniam. I am working as Assistant Professor in Advanced Computer Science Engineering Department in Vignan's Foundation for Science, Technology and Research, Deemed University, Guntur.
I am Dr. Vinayaga Murugapandi from Sri Sai Ram Engineering College, Chennai. I have completed 9 NPTEL courses till now.
Myself, Radhana Simha. I'm staying in Hyderabad. I coming from Hyderabad, currently pursuing MBA second year from Vardhaman College of Engineering.
My name is P. Shreya. I'm from Telangana. I have graduated from Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Sciences, Warangal. I'm Lakshmi Pravina. I came from Kalasalingam University. It's located in Madurai, Virudhunagar district. My name is Rishika Jitta. So I'm a second year BTech student from BMS Institute of Technology and Management, and my branch is Computer Science and Business Systems.
I'm Dr. Padmavati from SSIT College, Chikballapur.
I am Dr. P. Ravikumar, working as professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering in CMR College of Engineering and Technology.
Moreover, this course is much more useful for all other activities, class teaching and gate coaching. So in all aspects, this NPTEL course is more useful. I have benefited a lot.
I really like learning in the NPTEL platform. It has made learning accessible to everyone. The lectures were of very high quality, and I really hope to do more courses in the future.
I have done 10 NPTEL courses and I'm very happy to achieve this NPTEL discipline star. And I have learned many concepts from these 10 courses. And those helped me to do my research.
I am from the core branch ECE, and now I am very happy that I am having 20 credits in the department of CSE, and now I can compete with the CSE people, and I can join in the CSE in any college because of this NPTEL certifications. These are so valid, and so it is giving importance to the resume and to the faculty to go in multiple disciplines.
I am from Mechanical Engineering Department. I can be able to learn freely computer science and other domains. So in order to explore and integrate my knowledge with other domains. So this will enable me to cope up with the new technologies, new knowledge, so that students can be benefited during their integrated courses and also open electives. So that is the main advantage of these NPTEL courses.
Actually, I used to very much interested in learning, and that's the reason I am associated with NPTEL, and I am registering 2 courses in a semester continuously. And I will continue also. Actually, this is a platform where students as well as the faculty, they can keep learning and they can share their knowledge. And this platform is open for all students as well as faculty community for enriching their knowledge.
I hold a total of 25 NPTEL courses. From which I did 2 domain courses also. I belong to domain scholar in computer science engineering in both domains, data science as well as programming. As far as the NPTEL courses are concerned, it gives me constant motivation and it provides me enormous amount of energy to learn the courses, and in my future also, in order to understand what is going on around me, what technological improvements are going on, it helps me a lot.
Learning with NPTEL is very knowledgeable and it is very useful to our career also. So I encourage all the participants, students, faculty members, staff members to make use of this opportunity to gain certification from NPTEL.
I've done 12 NPTEL courses
and total my list of in marketing and total list of courses I have done in NPTEL is almost like 17 courses I have done. Currently I achieve like NPTEL enthusiast, NPTEL discipline and NPTEL believer course.
I have gained much knowledge rather than classroom teaching, which can improve ourselves, like which can improve our research point of view.
Definitely getting placed. So because why I am saying is I am completed conservation economics. So from that I have 1 star. Others I have got 98% and 99%. I have completed Java and all. So from that I have learned a more, not only from our college teachers, and I learned about, because assignments are there so that we can learn from them.
Till now I've taken a total of 7 NPTEL courses. I would say that this journey has truly been very engaging, and I've learned a lot. Especially when we don't know where to start, NPTEL gives us an amazing starting point, and thanks to NPTEL my foundation is strong, and now I feel confident enough to pursue the things that I want to do further. I've taken the domain of data science, so now I feel more confident in this regard, so that's all thanks to NPTEL. The courses in college have a certain time, we have to finish them per day, as per what's done. But then with NPTEL, I can do it at my own pace. Of course, the videos come weekly, but then I can do it at my own pace. And also, I can delve into the topics further through NPTEL. So yeah, that's how it's done. Well, I would highly recommend NPTEL to anyone who wants to specialize in any domain, or in fact just learn about anything around them. NPTEL is the perfect choice, the perfect starting point. So I just want to say that you won't regret it. Thank you.
There are a lot of more things which I haven't explored as of now. So based on that, different courses, I'm just keep on searching and trying to pick the things which I'm not knowing. So from my field to other fields also, where I can able to get, and I can get the detailed knowledge about all these things.
So I appreciate NPTEL for organizing such courses to upgrade the knowledge for faculty and students. So by acquiring the knowledge from these courses, I am able to teach the students effectively.